Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to lock the keypad on a Nokia 105. So, if you're pressing buttons in your pocket, or you're actually pocket dialing people, I'm going to show you how to overcome that. The first thing you want to do is press this selection button here to go to. This will bring up a large menu, but we want the top one here, lock keypad. So we want to press the large button in the middle to select it, and now the Nokia 105 is locked. So no matter what you press on the phone, nothing will actually work. So no more pocket dialing people. However, if you want to unlock the phone, you want to press this end call button here and then press it again, and now we have the option to unlock. You press the selection button here, and now it is unlocked the Nokia 105, and all the buttons are now active, so you can do as you wish. So that is how to lock the keypad on the Nokia 105. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to check out this playlist here if you want to see more Nokia 105 tutorials.